Hi friends, in today's episode, we look into some important care tips and some basic info you need to know while growing lemon coral sedum. Lemon coral sedum is a type of succulent plant. It is known for its bright yellow-green leaves and its ability to grow in a wide range of conditions. It's drought tolerant, fast growing, and is useful in filling both planters and bare patches in the garden. Under ideal conditions, lemon coral sedum can be expected to live for approximately 10 years. Now, let's look into some basic tips and tricks for this beautiful succulent. Lemon coral sedum prefers dry to medium well-drained soils. A good soil will have lots of perlite or vermiculite for drainage and some organic matter for nutrition. It also tolerates rocky soils and handles heat and drought like a champ. As far as watering is concerned, lemon coral sedum prefers for its soil to dry a bit between each time you water it. To figure out if it's the time to water, stick your finger down in the soil. If the soil sticks to your finger, it is moist enough to make it through the day without watering. If not, then it's time to water. Next comes light. Lemon coral sedum will grow in full sun to partial shade. However, too much shade can cause them to lose their bright yellowish foliage color. As its yellow foliage is promoted by a location in full sun. It's highly tolerant of urban pollution and can even thrive in inner city environments. Even though its color is light, this durable succulent will not burn in full sun, even in warm climates. Fertilizer won't be necessary for this plant. If desired, fertilize in spring when new growth begins. Apply 2 tablespoons of all-purpose low-release fertilizer upon the ground in a band around the plant at least 6 inches away from its stem. Sedums are simple plants to grow. They do well in various climates and require minimal care. With once a year growing and infrequent watering, you can enjoy these bright plants all summers long without much worry over pests and droughts. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share and comment below with your feedback.